computer science with Python language. You can install Python from python.org. Go to downloads, Windows, and download this 3.8.2, the latest version of Python. After installation, you can find Python in your this apps. Now here I have installed two versions, Python 3.7 and Python 3.8. So you can click on Python 3.8 and you can click on this IDLE Python 3.8. You can also create shortcut in your desktop and then you can start Python IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Each language is having its own environment to write, run programs. So start Python IDLE. In Python language, you can write your programs or run statements in two different ways. Number one, the interactive mode, and second one is the shell. So here on the screen is the interactive mode of Python. To start shell, you can click on new file and here you can write the Python programs. But working with shell is an advanced feature. First of all, learn how to use this interactive mode. Interactive mode is basically a command prompt of Python where you can write statements and execute them. 5, 7, and your output is 7. Now if you write 7 plus 3, and the answer is 10. Means in interactive mode you can write simple expressions or arithmetic operations like 7 multiplied by 3, that is gives you 7 star 3. It means 7 raised to power 3. Or suppose 5 star 2, it will give you 25, means 5 into 5 raised to power 2. So double illustration Python is used for the power. You can do any type of operations here, division,